Welcome. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating my real-time quiz activity module. I've logged in in the top half of the screen as a teacher, and in this browser down here I'm logged in as a student, so you can see both parts of what goes on. So the first thing I need to do as a teacher is to start the quiz. In this case I'm going to name the session just so it's easier to find the results later on, and then I'm going to click on Start Quiz, and then down here I'm going to click on Join Quiz in the Students window. Okay. And then back to the Teachers window, I'm going to click on Next to actually start the quiz going. As you can see, the question appears in on both the teacher screen and on the student screen, and the students in this case have 10 seconds to choose the right answer. And in this case I can see that I've correctly answered that London is the capital of England. On both screens we get a summary showing the correct result with a tick, and obviously all the incorrect results with crosses, as well as the number of students who gave each of the answers. You also get the results for that particular question and an overall result for the class for all the questions. The students get an additional cumulative total to show how they are individually getting on so far. And once you've discussed the question, you can then click on Next to display the next question. Again, it appears on both screens, and students have, in this case again, 10 seconds to answer the question. Okay, and in this case, oh dear, I've got the answer wrong. The correct answer was steel, and as you can see, one student, myself, gave the answer chocolate. Just going to skip on to the final question. On these three questions, for the purpose of this demo, I've just given 10 seconds to answer them, but you can change that to any number of seconds you like. In this case, I'm going to try and get the answer right, which I have done so, and you can see that Sheffield is in fact the host for the World Snooker Championships each year. If I click on Next now, it gives the final results, a summary of the cumulative total for the whole class, and for the individual student it tells them what their total is. Once you've finished the quiz, you can then go and view the responses. By default it shows the responses for all the sessions, but I can switch it so it just shows the results from a single session. And if I want more detail than this, I can drill right down and see which student gave which answer. In this case, only one student has been attempting the quiz, so there's only one student's answer to show, but if there were more students they would be listed down underneath here. Well, that's about it for the real-time quiz. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop me an email and get in contact. Thank you for listening.